Hi, hello, it's Chitty, and today we're doing something different. Now, I don't know if you've seen my video of me clearing out my closet. I posted it a couple weeks ago, like in October. And basically the purpose of the video was to get rid of things that no longer serve me. However, getting rid of things basically left me with next to nothing to actually wear. And so because of that, I wanted to work on actually building my closet and getting pieces that I know will make me feel good and will actually serve me. And so knowing that I'm starting from the bottom and working my way up, I wanted to focus on getting capsule wardrobe pieces, so basically like neutrals and whatnot, so that you can interchange each item and it still matches. So a lot of my colors will be neutral in my outfits, and also it's like December right now and I live in California, so these aren't like strong winter pieces, but you can still wear them around this time. Hopefully if you live in like California. But anyways, these are just things that I would like to wear and they're interchangeable, and yeah, let's get into it. Let's go. Okay, straight off the bat, we have this fun, cute, stylish jacket on right now. It has this plaid, like checkered look to it, or flannel like pattern to it. And let me tell you, this jacket is so soft. It's like wearing a blanket. And it's so great because once you put on the hood, it transforms the entire look. You have this cool 2-in-1 feature where it looks like you're wearing like a sweater, and then you also have a built-in jacket. Now, one thing that also helps are these white platform sneaker Nike shoes. It helps to bring the entire outfit together. What do we think? What do we think? Let me know in the comments. Now, outfit two doesn't scream. But outfit 2 says, hey, I didn't want to try today, but you know what? I'd still look good. Now we went ahead and reused the sweats from the last outfit, and also these white shoes, because white shoes go with everything. And this crop top, yes, it is a crop top, but this sweater is actually still very warm. And let me show you a little bit of a surprise in outfit 3. Okay, the surprise in outfit 3. This is actually a set. Now this crop top looks good without these pants, and it looks darn good with it too. I wanted to switch the outfit up just a little bit by changing the shoes, because yes, shoes also help to make the outfit, and it changes up the look, and it's like it brings something new to the table. It's great. And let me tell you, this outfit, not only is it cute, not only does it have a nice little pattern and texture to it, but it's also extremely soft. Outfit 4. Now this is something pretty casual. Honestly, when I think of it, I think about an outfit for to school or to class where I'm like, I want to be warm. I don't want to be uncomfortable. I'm going to be sitting in this for hours. In my classes, I don't want to have to worry about anything, whether it's being in a lab or studying in the computer lab, you know? It's cute. It's put together. It's simple. And it does the job. We also went ahead and reused the same sneakers from outfit number 3. Now with outfit 5, I wanted to do something a little bit different. Like, I know we have a lot of dark browns going on, and white and black, but the cardigan, it's optional. But I wanted to match it to the light brown that's on the top of my chest to help emphasize that color. Now, not only are you warm because of the sweater and the thick cargo pants, but the cardigan is actually adding another extra layer of warmth. Now, I'm gonna tell you something. I was fighting the cold. I didn't feel anything with this outfit. And one thing that's really cool with this cardigan is that it actually has pockets, and I didn't show that here, but it does, and it's pretty cool. And yes, a lot of these pieces are very new, so you're gonna see my tags and whatnot, but that just means you got a first-hand look. You're an insider. How cool is that? And again, you could take off the cardigan and bam, your outfit still looks good. Now, outfit number 6, this is one of my favorite outfits, and it is mainly because of the top. Now, I don't know about you, but I am literally obsessed with the cut. The little cut on the chest right there, ooh, it's sexy. And not only is it sexy, but it hugs you in all the right places. It helps to outline your silhouette. It brings everything together. It makes you look slimmer. And also because of the turtleneck action, it makes you look a little bit more sophisticated, but also fun and playful. And yes, we reused the pants and the white shoes, but let me show you, you can change this entire outfit by just changing the shoes. It's crazy. Now here, I simply put my hair down and I just changed the color of my shoes. I'm wearing black platform sneakers right here, and it's a whole different look. Now number 7 is for like a casual night out. So we have this cool little almost see-through bodysuit. And then we have some faux leather pants that have this nice ruffled design on the bottom. And then I paired it with some black heels. This outfit is probably not the warmest, but if you're wearing layers underneath, especially because this bodysuit is kind of see-through, it will keep you warm. But also you could just throw on a jacket if you wanted to. But if you're not up for heels, or you want to make this outfit even more casual than what it already is, what are we doing? We're gonna slap on those white sneakers. Let's go. White shoes never fail us, unless they're dirty. Please clean those. Outfit number 8, we have a simple bodysuit, we have jeans, we have our white shoes that again never fail us. But one thing I loved about this outfit was this furry vest. Now, your arms might get a little bit cold, even though there's a layer of clothing right there, you know? But this vest, I've already worn this outfit outside, I'm not gonna lie. This vest kept me so warm, and I love how you can actually hook both sides together and your vest, it won't move. And I love it. It's the warmest thing. Honestly, the vest is one of my favorite things that I have bought in the past month. Number 9. Ooh, we have our white bodysuit. We also have some jeans, and again, our white sneakers. Yes, I'm pointing it out again. And this can be an outfit on its own. However, if you want to be a little bit warmer, we're gonna add on some layers. Remember that cardigan that we had earlier? Well, we're gonna put it on now. And now we have a whole new outfit. Outfit number 10. But I don't think I mentioned earlier that this cardigan actually has a hoodie. How cool is that? We like that. If you're cold after this bodysuit and this cardigan, I'm sorry, but I can't help you. I'm just kidding. But no, you should be good with just the cardigan and the bodysuit. I felt like it was pretty warm, at least for me. And I don't know about you, but I think that the hoodie is so cute. Like, it helps bring the outfit together. It's fun, it's playful, just like almost every other outfit that we have here. And I don't know, I felt kind of like a kid with it on. I don't know, that's just me. Now, outfit 11 is kind of like a bonus outfit. Can I call it that? I think I will. So yes, we have a blazer, and technically this is a pantsuit. But one thing I will show you is, again, we're reusing pieces because this is sort of like we're building our capsule wardrobe. So we have our white bodysuit, we have our white sneakers to make this outfit a little bit more casual. And one thing I do like about this is that even though it's a set, you could take it apart and mix and match it with other items that we've already worn. For example, you can pair it with the jeans that we wore earlier. There you go, you have a whole new outfit. I didn't show that, but I'm just giving you some options there. And one thing that I didn't really detail in the video is the fact that this has a tie in the back of the blazer. So if you wanted to, you can loosen up that tie to give the blazer a more boxy look, or you can tie it even more to help cinch in the waist. And that was cool. And so actually right here, mine's tied like all the way to make it look more cinched and emphasize curves. Now, I don't really have accessories like bags or jewelry or whatnot, but I want to show you basic pieces that you can create on your own, because who knows, you might not have a jewelry collection, you may not have a ton of bags, and you may just be starting over like me. So if this video was helpful in any way, shape, or form, let me know in the comment section. If there was an outfit that you preferred, also let me know. And lastly, I actually have a question for you. What are some combinations that you would create with these pieces? Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Alrighty, I'll see you next time. Bye.